Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's class. So, what are we learning today? Today, we will be learning about our family. Yes. So, back at home, you have your family, your parents, your brothers, your sister, your grandparents, your uncles, your aunts, your cousins. And I am sure you must love your family a lot. So let's start and learn about my family. We all live in a family. Father, mother and children make a family. So what do you mean by a family? What is a family? The parents and their children, they together make a family. Members of a family share love and care for each other. So, your family members, like you love your parents, your grandparents, your siblings, your brother, your sister, and you care for them. Similarly, they all care for you also. So, all the members of the family, they care and love each other. They share the work at home and help each other. So, your mother, she does the cooking for you, your family. So, she is doing work for all other family members. Similarly, your father or your mother, both of them must be earning money for your school, for the vegetables, for groceries. So, and you also, I'm sure, you must be helping your parents or your siblings back at home. So, you must be, cleaning your room, keeping your toys at place, keeping your things at place. So, all the family members, when they live together, they actually do each other's work, they help each other, they love each other. Living with the family is fun and easy. So when you live with your family, you have a lot of fun, you play, you fight, you watch TV together, you travel together, you go out together. So you have fun. And it is so easy to live with our family because our family loves us and they know us. So it is very easy and comfortable to live with our family. So you can see a picture of a happy family over here. Now, who are the members of the family? Father and mother are called the parents. So your sons and daughters, they are called offsprings. They are called offsprings. So you are an offspring of your parents. Okay, so your father and mother, they are called parents and you are called their offspring. Brother and sisters are called siblings. Brothers and sisters are called siblings. So you might be the alone child, or if you have a brother or your sister, so he or she is your sibling. So parents, then offspring and then siblings. So we have to write something about ourselves over here, about our family. What is the name of your parents? So you must be knowing that what is the name of your mother and what's the name of your father. So please write over here, my mother's name is whatever your mother's name is. So please ask the spelling of your mother's name from her, and please ask the spelling of your father's name also, and please write it over here that my mother's name is this and my father's name is this. How many siblings are you in the family? So how many siblings are you means that how many brothers, sisters are you? So if one is you, one is your brother or sister, or you might have two brothers and sisters. So please, or you might be just alone. So just write, I have no sibling, or you can write, we are two siblings if you are two brothers, sister, or two brothers or two sisters. or more than that. If you are 3 children in the family, so you can just write 3. We are 3 siblings in the family. Now there are different types of family. A family in which there are just parents and children, or a family in which grandparents also live together with parents and children, or a family in which uncles and aunts and their children also live together in one house. So there is a small family and there is a big family, a large family also. A family can be a small family and a large family. Okay, so this is a small family in which there are parents, mother, father, and then there are offsprings or children. Okay, and then there is a large family in which there are parents, there are children, there are grandparents, there are uncles, aunts, their children. A family having parents and one or more than one sibling is called a small family. So the kind of family in which there are parents, like there is father, mother, and then they have children, maybe 1 child, maybe 2 child, maybe 3 children. So only this kind of a family, it is called small family, and this family is a nuclear family. Alright, and a family in which there are parents, there are grandparents, in Hindi we call it dada dadi, aunts, uncles like chachu, chachi or tayaji, taiji, and their children. This kind of family is called a large family. This kind of family is called a large family. There are many members in a large family. So there are many members in a large family. There are so many, like in a small family, in a nuclear family, there are few members, but in a large family, there are many members. Parents of our parents. So we have parents and then they also have parents. So parents of the parents, they are called our grandparents. Okay? Brothers of our parents are called uncles. So in Hindi we can call them chachu or mamu. So the parents, the brothers of our parents, so the brothers of your father and the brother of your mother, they are called our uncles. And similarly, sisters of our parents, sister of your father or sister of your mother, like bua or masi, all these are called aunts. So the sister of our parents are called aunts, and the children of uncles and aunts, they are called our cousins. They are called our cousins. Alright, so grandparents, parents of our parents, brothers of our parents, they are called uncles. Sister of our parents are called aunts, and the children of aunts and uncles are called our cousins. We all care and share in a family. When we live together, we share things. So you might be sharing your toys with your siblings or your cousins. You might be sharing books with them. You might be sharing your clothes with them. You might be sharing your drawing books with them. You might be sharing your room with them. So when we live together, we share things and we love each other. We care for them. Family members take care of each other and share things, food and love with each other. So if someone in the family falls sick, everyone takes care of the sick person. So that's why the family members, they take care of each other. They share love, they share food, they share the space, they share the house also. Our parents earn and look after us. So you are going to school, you need money for that. You are eating food, the food comes with money. And where does that money come from? Your parents earn that for you, for themselves. So our parents earn and look after us. So you are small children. Who takes care of you? Your parents take care of you. So they look after us. And what does our grandparents do? So grandparents, they help our parents to do the work. Sometimes our grandparents also go out with our parents to earn, or they help our parents to do household work, and they also tell you bedtime stories. Yes? Okay. So our grandparents help our parents in doing household work and tell us story too. Brothers and sisters sometimes fight with each other, but also help each other when needed. So, if you have a brother sister, I'm sure you must fight with each other a lot. But then you also love each other, you also take care of each other, and you help them when they need you. Family together go for picnics, holidays, functions, etc. So all the family members together, they go for picnics, for excursions, for traveling, on holidays, in marriages, in birthday parties, in functions. So that's what family do, and they have fun. So it is fun to have a loving and caring family. Isn't that so? Yes. Okay. So what did we learn today? Parents, mother and father. Grandparents, parents of our parents. Siblings, brothers and sisters. Cousins, children of uncles and aunts are called cousins. Members of the family care and share with each other. Family members help in doing all work. Parents and children make a small family. Parents, grandparents, uncles and aunts and their children make a large family. The family have fun together. Let's do this exercise. Mother and father are called our parents. Uncles are the brothers of our parents. Family having only parents and children is a nuclear family. A large family has grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and cousins. The children of uncles and aunts are called our cousins. Okay, so let's circle the odd one out. What is odd one out? There is a group of words and the word which does not fit the group, you have to circle it. So grandparents, parents and uncles. So let's circle uncles. Why? Because parents have both male and female. Grandparents also have male and female, but uncles only means males, that is brothers. Siblings, mother and cousins. So cousins. Why? Because mother and siblings are the part of our nuclear family, but cousins are the part of a large family. Small family, large family, nuclear family. Large family. Because nuclear family is a small family. Small family is again just a nuclear family, and small family means the same thing. And large family means many members. That's odd one out. Uncles, aunts and grandparents. So grandparents is the odd one out. Why? Because we are talking about the brothers and the sisters of our parents and not the parents of the parents. Brother, uncle and mother. So, mother should be the odd one out because brother is a male, uncle is a male and mother is a female. Alright, so there are few questions over here which you are going to do yourself, but I will discuss over here with you in short. Who are the parents in the family? Mother and the father are the parents in the family. Who are siblings? The brother and the sister are the siblings. Who are uncles? The brothers of our parents are called uncles. Who are cousins? Children of uncles and aunts are called cousins. What is a family with parents and children called? It is called a nuclear family. So there are some fun-based questions that you are going to do yourself with your family, with your friends, and have fun with the chapter. A family tree is a way to depict the line of parentage in a family. So you have to draw a family tree with the eldest members in your family. You can start with your grandparents, then with your parents, and then with yourself. Okay. And if you have your uncles and aunts, so your grandparents must be having another children, so you can talk about them, and then your cousins. So please try to find out with your parents and then draw a family tree. You have to match the following relations belonging to the opposite gender. So for example, mother is a female and father is a male. Similarly, sister and brother, aunt and uncle, grandmother and grandfather, daughter and son, niece and nephew. Okay? Niece means bhanji or bhatiji and nephew means bhanja or bhatija. Alright? So, there is one more very fun-based activity over here. What is that? That is making family members with clay. What you can do is just take a dough of the clay and try to make family members according to their height, according to how do they look. Are they very thin or are they fat? Do they have happy faces or sad faces or a frown on their face? So you can make all these things with a dough of a clay. So you can just do this with the help of a clay. That's all in this chapter. I hope you have learned a lot about your family, about the names of the different family members, and now you are going to call them with their names, the different members. You are going to tell them that what, if there are different members in your family, you are going to tell them, you are my aunt, you are my uncle, you are my parents, you are my grandparents, you are my cousins. So you can just talk like that, okay, and tell them that you know what are they, how do they belong to you. Alright, so that's all for today. I hope you have learned a lot. That's all for today, and keep learning, keep shining. Bye-bye.